Hello everyone, happy Saturday. This is filmed on Saturday. This is the third day of Artist Project. I wanted to take you around and look at some really cool pieces that we're going to see today. There's such a diverse amount of artists here, so I just want to walk around and basically tour you around because I haven't gone either because I've been so busy in my booth. So I'm just going to give you the tour of some of my favorite booths. I'm just going to go through, film what I can, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the show as well. So pretty. I love the energy in these pieces. The drippiness, so cool. These ones kind of have that vintage nostalgia feel to them. It says oil on paper. I love this one. It's so cool to see like the different tint. Just like all the little attention to detail. This is some really cool collage. If you guys remember, I went to a collage workshop for World Collage Day last year, and this is the artist I did it with. So it's really cool to see their work in the wild. And if you look up close, like you can see the edges and everything. So they must have like printed out the beauty images larger and then cut them to this size, which is really cool. These aren't prints. You can see the layers. Sorry for the glare. This one is Chip War. This definitely has that cynical, critical thought. This is some pretty big ones. Really like this one. Love the little words. Now to see how far down it tumbles before the bounce back, before the inevitable wrench. But I want to show you because I love this. It's like using found objects outside of the painting's really interesting. Like that's so pretty. And this artist's work make me feel things. I love this artist. For obvious reasons, it looks like a vintage booth. This person's really cool too, definitely has collage elements. They're photographs that have been cut and then have the background cut out, so it has like a three-dimensional texture to it. Very nice. They feel very calming. And this person, Robin Mukari, look at these pieces. So cool. It's like a 3D collage artist. So cool. Look at the way this one changes from the angles. This one's beautiful. Very interesting, eh? And this is one of my friend's work. I think her work is incredible, very surreal. This one's gotta be my favorite. The frame is incredible. But she makes like a really interesting world. So cool. So colorful. So much cool stuff. And then they have a magazine shop that has a collage booth, which is super cool. And then this artist is from Quebec. But I love this stuff. Again, very vintage. And look at this, it's like old fabric patterns. They don't even look painted till you get close. Like, they're so good. I love this one. It's like so incredible. These ones again feel really vintage and are vintage. Monroe, Presley. If you get really close to it, it says, I loved her more. So tiny, but powerful. And then Lisa is a friend of mine, and she's a collage artist here in Hamilton, and has amazing things. One's my favorite. These two are ones from last year, but I think I really like them a lot. She told me that this one's a portrait of her grandmother, which is so cool. This is an example of decollage, where you're putting lots of layers and ripping. And then I think it's all full of resin, certain ones. These ones don't look like it, but I know she's done resin ones in the past. These ones are resin, but you can see and it drags. This one also looks like collage. It's always funny, I don't know if I should call it collage until you talk to the artist, but it's so pretty. I really like this one. I mentioned this is like one row. I think there's like 13 of them, so I'll take you around a little bit more. Not collage, but I'm obsessed. So pretty. Look at those colors. This one won the best award for the mixed media category. I think they're incredible. Look at like all the little details, all the words, like it's incredible. And it says it's ink, clothing dye, acrylic, liquid paper, and gesso. So lots of different things. This one's a painter, but I'm in love. Look at this color. And the frames, I think, are really what makes it. They're all different, eclectic. I really like this one. And this frame is incredible. This little setup with the tulips. So pretty. Oh, I could live in this booth for sure. Look at this chest. And the art is incredible. Look at this. It's got a little ladder. It's beautiful. This is a print, so maybe it's digital and then printed onto wood. But they look like linoleum. It's probably like a lot of layers of press. So cool. Let's talk about this wall background. They said we're not allowed to do one, but I mean, if this is happening, I love it. Everyone's signing the treats, so cute. Here's some mixed media. It's a cool way to show how you can add collage to your pieces. This one almost looks like encaustic. Really cool. This is also my friend Stephanie, and she's so funny, man. This stuff is crazy. I think you guys will like it. This one's my favorite. It's so funny. Robin is also a friend of mine, and her work is incredible. It's surreal, it's realism. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. And she's actually doing teaching, so if you guys are interested in learning how to do amazing portraits, she's your girl. She's also been doing live paintings here and painting volunteers for like hours. It's a really cool way to show off her work. And this one's not collage, but I love this artist. It feels like it's oil stick, and acrylic on canvas. But it's so vibrant. It still like captures the woodland feel. I think it's really, really nice. And that's Sean Evans. Gorgeous. This is part of the Untapped, which means they're students. So cool. This is cyanotype. Great use of photography. And I think it's on cotton. Yeah. Really interesting. This booth is so cool. This is Giorgio Cacato. I don't want to butcher it, but I think this is like pen. So nice. It's marker with raw canvas. But I can imagine the larger ones being like ink and being pulled. I think this is real bread. It smells like bread in here, so that's pretty crazy. It smells really good though. And this artist is the one that convinced me to go to New York, so she's a great friend of mine. These are actually ink, but she says that she had some collage elements, and I just love the vibe. So I really hope you enjoyed taking a deeper dive at this show. There was so much to see, but I'm glad that I was able to show you just a little tiny piece of how amazing it was. Just a reminder that anything that didn't sell at the show is now on my website, and some of them will even be in New York. So if you're in New York, please message me. I have some extra tickets I can give away for you to come to my show. So thanks for watching, subscribe if you're not, and I'll talk to you guys next week.